Welcome to Foxtecc. If you're experiencing camera issues on Snapchat while using your iPad, there are a few things you can check to get it working again. Let's go through the steps to fix it. First, open Settings, scroll down to Snapchat, and make sure that camera access is enabled. If this setting is turned off, Snapchat won't be able to use your iPad's camera, which is one of the most common reasons why the camera might not work properly. Simply toggle it on, then restart Snapchat and see if the issue is fixed. Next, check if you have the latest version of Snapchat installed. Open the App Store, tap on your profile icon, and go to Manage Apps and Updates. If an update for Snapchat is available, install it. Updates often fix performance issues, including camera-related bugs. If the problem continues, you can take it a step further by uninstalling and reinstalling Snapchat. This resets all app permissions and settings, which can resolve any hidden issues affecting the camera. Another simple fix is to restart your iPad. Sometimes temporary system glitches can cause apps to stop functioning properly, and a restart refreshes everything. Turn your iPad off, wait a few seconds, then turn it back on and check if the Snapchat camera works as expected. If none of these solutions help, open the default camera app on your iPad and check if it's working normally. If the built-in camera also has issues, then the problem isn't with Snapchat. It might be a hardware issue with your iPad's camera itself. In that case, you might need to look into repair options or contact Apple support for further assistance. That's it. Now you know how to fix Snapchat camera problems on iPad. If this helped, let me know in the comments. And if you found this video useful, don't forget to like and subscribe to Foxtecc for more iPhone and iPad tips. Thanks for watching and see you later.